What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to hack Survey Surf from Lucky Patcher. I'm playing it first time and I'm gonna hack it. I'm not a liar just like others. Others always lie, but they don't teach you how to hack the exact how to hack, and it doesn't work all the time. But I am not a liar. If you like it, please subscribe and thank you for watching. And I am now showing you something. Yes, now I'll go. Yes. So look at my key, coin and hoverboard. Then after, just open a Lucky Patcher. Here we come to Lucky Patcher and we can see here. Oh, what fucking, where is the Lucky Patcher? Where is the Survey Surf? Wait for some time, please. Oh yes, we have found the Survey Surf. First you have downloaded the Lucky Patcher, then press here the three buttons. Press just download all the custom pads. I have already downloaded the custom pads. Just press the Survey Surf. Press the open the patch of menu, custom pads. Then after apply. Just wait for some time. Then just go to launch. Fast. Fast. Oh, and you can see here the key, the coin, and the boom. Look at here, all the troops. You get here new troops. Sorry, I play Clash of Clans, so my tongue said. You can find here many new players. I will show you. I think this is the new player. Yeah, I think this is the new player. Oh, just see at it. All the board also. Board. We are going to go at the board. Oh no, look at this. Board. Double jump. Super jump. Fast. Oh, speed up. Double jump. Super speed. Oh, I need it. Double jump. Super speed. This I select. You find your new birds, just like crocodile. Look, all are new bird. Oh, this dragon is so nice. This rose. Okay, now I am going to show you my high scores. Okay, I will take this and this place. Oh, just press it. You don't need to double tap anywhere to active hoverboard. When you do what? This. When you do the custom patch. Oh, he have the super jump ability. Sorry, I died. Oh, don't eat it. Because if you eat one, then you will need to open 5 or 10, and I am angry happening. Then I am angry. Oh, my speed look into 47. Oh, why don't I jump? They say super jump. Your everything you take out will everything you take out is it stay so for so long. Did you notice that? Hi. Look, just if you do the custom patch and you die, what thing with you die? That also coming if you use the key. Oh, so long this is. Wait for some time. Oh, so long this. Okay guys, we are after 1 minute. I was going to bathroom now also we don't finish it. Oh, now at last we finished. Oh, we have the ability of double jump. We have the ability of double jump. Oh, I don't know that. Oh, now I am not using it. Oh, look my score. I have taken out so many awards. Oh, this is my photo. I am pretty handsome. Oh. Oh, you can go in shop and skip your mission. And you can open the silver chest. You will get 5,000. Oh no. I will get it. Oh yeah. Oh no, into 2. Oh. Into 14. Oh. Ooh. And I'm going to tell you some things that you play. If you play the Clash of Clans, please put the clan tag in the comment. Okay, so bye bye.